Ever wondered how to kickstart a fitness journey without feeling overwhelmed? Ponder no more, as today we dive into a simple yet effective fitness protocol designed specifically for beginners. Starting a fitness journey often feels like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. You don't know where to start, which pieces to move, or even if you're making any progress. But fear not, the solution isn't as complicated as it may seem. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Begin by setting realistic and achievable goals. Want to run a marathon in a month, but haven't run a mile in years? That might be setting the bar a tad high. Instead, aim for something more achievable, like being able to jog for 30 minutes without stopping. Remember, this isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Next, focus on building a routine. Consistency is the key to success in any fitness journey. Try to set aside a specific time each day for your workout. It could be first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or in the evening. The time doesn't matter as much as the consistency. Once you have your goals and routine in place, it's time to explore different types of exercises. A well-rounded fitness protocol should include cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Think of it as the holy trinity of fitness. Cardio exercises like running, cycling, or swimming are great for boosting heart health and burning calories. Strength training exercises like weightlifting or resistance training help build muscle mass and improve bone health. Flexibility exercises like yoga or Pilates improve balance, reduce the risk of injury, and promote relaxation. Now before you say, "But I don't have time for all that," remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Start with what you can manage and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to be fit. Even a brisk 20-minute walk can do wonders for your health if done consistently. Nutrition is another crucial aspect of any fitness protocol. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can fuel your workouts and aid in recovery. Remember, abs are made in the kitchen, not just the gym. Finally, remember to listen to your body. Rest and recovery are just as important as the workouts themselves. If you're feeling sore or tired, take a day off. Pushing yourself too hard can lead to injuries and burnout. In summary, a beginner's fitness protocol should include setting realistic goals, establishing a consistent routine, incorporating a mix of cardio, strength and flexibility exercises, eating a balanced diet, and prioritizing rest and recovery. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, celebrate your progress, and most importantly, have fun along the way. After all, laughter is the best exercise for the soul.